Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to share diary with friends and MyFitnessPal. So that app actually will help you to gain some weights or even lose some weights. It depends on your preference, and even you can set some specific diets on this app, and you can get it from the App Store, Play Store. It depends on which device you have or which system. So for me, I got it from the Play Store because I have underweight system. And alright, so let's dive in and open up our app. So just by tapping on it, we are on dashboard, and where I want to go is to this 3 points on the bottom right corner. So you just need to tap on them, and yeah, you need to scroll down until you can see settings right here. And on the settings, I want you to look for the diary settings. Okay, just tap on diary settings, and right here, as you can see, I have multiple options. Even I can show diary food insights or always show water and diary, and even I can customize meal names just from here. So I can change them from the breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and even I can add 2 more. But for today's video, I want to go into the diary sharing, that one, and I want to change it from private into friends. So once you tap on friends, just like that, you share diary with friends in the app. So if you have any friends on the app, they will be able to see your diary on MyFitness app. Anyways, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.